Hello everyone, my name is Ali Abubakar. I'm student in Mohawk College. Today I'm going to talk about my third milestone, and this is my final deliverable. So week 5, I will talk about Keppers, A to E tests, and accessibility. I already talked about in second milestone. In week 6, I will talk about health tracking. Also, I will talk about chart.javascript integration and data entry. And instead of use one, I use a Postman. And all we know, Postman is a professional industry tool that can be used for testing any operation, any route. And also, I use in week 7, I have been created community page, and for Wave, I use both for interface to check in how interface accessibility it is, and for testing as well. I'll show it later. For this one, I change it to Zap. Zap, as you can see the definition, it's benefit to use a Zap because it's free and open source, and also it's up to date than Brook Suite. So, and the week 8, it's almost like just testing coverage and for changing interface if you think it's not good. So let's go to testing part. So for example, first of all, I will check E2E and accessibility testing. So as you can see, I have this one. So it will check the missed task if user any missed task. And at the end, it shows the page that it shows the if there's any task that has been missed. So basically, it will log in, uh, check the calendar page, as you can see. And at the end, it will tell us what we have there. And the rest for accessibility and E2E, it will be the same. So I'm not gonna test it anymore. So there's gonna be only one because it's small and it can be done with the testing. So as you can see, all of them has been completed. So we have a task schedule. Basically, it will create a schedule. Notification, it will check the notification, and all test has been find it inside my tests. So, so the second one I will talk about Postman. Postman basically, as you can see the definition, it will check all the operation, data evaluation, and database integration and chart.javascript integration. If we go, we check the route. For login, it gives us OK, and for no, it will be retrieve the health tracking and return the JSON data. And if we put a valid data to create a new health, it will say no server error. It will be successful. But if we put negative, it will tell us it will be rejected because it's bad request. But for future date, it will be the same, gives us zero. We verify has been created, and for chart.javascript and data entry, it will check okay if it's okay. And this is the second one. And for Wave, this is testing, as you can see. It will check the community page, and for image and for community page require authentication, testing XSS and SQL injection, community page structure, and also Wave extension. And I use this one for manual testing, but for automatic testing, as I say, I use a Postman and complete testing report. As you can see, it's 12 out of 12 and all has been passed. So this is gonna be about Zap. Sorry, about, so this is about Zap. So Zap basically it will scan your website and it will try to attack your website. Basically, I have a community page. I try to attack by Chrome or by any of them. It will attack your website and try to do whatever it can to attack your website, and all of them it was out of scope because it cannot log in. Why? Because I need they need to verify their email and validate their email, so they cannot. So basically, this is for testing purpose. At the end, I have to stop. They cannot attack it. So even this one, if this website tried to create a new account, it couldn't, and the database rejected as well. So this is most of the alert. It's medium and low, and we have some information as well. So this is gonna be about this one, and for the coverage, it will 23. I have it. As you can see, all the tests for notification has been done and rejected from database if the notification is not good. So, but I'm walking through the my website. I'm over proud of my what I have overcome. Inside the command, I have this code. This is to test and the reliable and reusable login command. And this is gonna be a real authentication. Real-time community command with Ajax has been done. And this is the code and admin functionality. So the admin has a full admin system with the real-time update and proper user feedback, and also the smart health database security. So ensuring that user can only edit their own record and no one else. And this is I implemented the reboost security, as you can see, to measure to protect the sensitive user data and ensure data integrity. And let's go to our website. This is more important. So as you can see, this is my website. Since second milestone, I have community page, I have gallery page, I have health tracking page, and I have been implemented the profile page. Let's start with the profile page. User can see a nice profile page. So basically, they can update a new picture inside for example, a new picture, and the profile has been changed. User can change the username, and also it has a validation for that, and verify a new email if they want to change their email, but this email will be stable until the new email will be verified. So user can remove or upload a new picture, and can be bio change it, but the bio needs to require from admin to change to visible from others to see. So for account deletion policy, they have to contact the admin. The gallery user can add any gallery, any users, but only they can edit their their pictures. For example, if I have any pictures, I can edit it. For example, I can just a new pictures. And for example, let's just make it faster. We can make it private or so we can edit it. And we can even delete it. Let's give a tag and they have a tag, or they can edit it as well. So we can make it private so no one can see it. If you go to gallery and make it private, this is not created by me, so I cannot edit it. But if this one, so both of us, we created. So that's a gallery page. So for tracking, user can view or create. So if they create without testing, it will user error. They can view, they can edit, and they can even delete it. So for community page, as we have a wave, so it testing it's 0. And for this one, it will testing 0 as well. And for admin, we have it. So user, they can have them change it. The admin can change any username. They can change the bio and they can delete the account, or they can make it admin, change the bio and approve it. Thanks so much for watching this video.